of July 2020, and look at this beautiful another residential building here with like an atrium, but no scenic elevator. But still beautiful architecture, postmodern from the late 1990s. Another Semag elevator that was built in 1998 here. It's rope hydraulic. We have also been in the other one. We had an incredible luck with these two today.
Yeah.
So that both were open, wide open. Yes, also built in 1998. It turned 20 years old in 2018. 55401, 8% 630 grams. 5 floors. It's going to be inspected in 2022. Also very rare in Finland.
Yeah.
In Hietapellonkuja, Vantaa, you know, of 3 more. I filmed the stick is B there, but still have A and C, so hopefully we'll get them as soon as possible. They're from 1997, and unfortunately are going to be replaced soon.
Yeah.
Starting from October this year probably. Semag, Hietapellonkuja. I think normally this building should be locked off, these buildings are locked.
Yeah.
There's some special I don't know, items that are hanging, decorations.
Yeah.
Or no, it wasn't a decoration, it was a ladder.
Yeah.
But it looked like a decoration.
Hmm.
Oh.
It can just call.
Or maybe you didn't press it properly.
I pressed, but it's coming in Semag elevators.
This can happen sometimes.
Yeah.
Do you think one of them maybe will be enough so bit because we have to continue?
Yeah.
We did 2 rides in the other building. Even though this is amazing too, but
Yeah.
we need to go on.
It's a bit by and maintenance back on.
Yes.
Yeah, so this has better maintenance.
Yeah, better. Yeah, that's great. We're only gonna one ride, but it's because we don't really have time.
Yeah.
Well, it's amazing. I hope you
That's
all liked it.